Today, I'll show you how to record a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're preparing for a virtual meeting, an online course, or just want to share your insights with a wider audience, recording your presentation directly within PowerPoint is a breeze. Let's dive into the steps to make your presentation as polished and professional as possible. First, let's get started by navigating to the Record tab on the top ribbon of your PowerPoint interface. If you're using a newer version of PowerPoint, you'll find it right there. However, if you're working with an older version, you might need to look under the Slideshow tab for the Record Slideshow option. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in the right place, it's time to adjust your setup. Clicking the Record option opens up a full-screen recording studio. Here, you can ensure everything is set up just the way you want it. Let's start with your microphone and camera. It's crucial to have these input devices selected correctly for the best audio and video quality. You'll find these settings at the top of the screen. Make sure your microphone is capturing clear audio, and if you're using a camera, that it's positioned well. Speaking of the camera, you have the option to toggle your camera feed on or off. If you decide to turn it on, your video will appear in the corner of your slides. This can add a personal touch to your presentation, allowing your audience to see you as you speak. However, if you prefer to keep the focus solely on the slides, simply turn the camera off. When you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to start recording. Click the red record button to begin. You'll notice a short countdown, which gives you a moment to take a deep breath and collect your thoughts before diving into your presentation. Once the countdown ends, you can start speaking. As you deliver your presentation, navigate through your slides as you normally would. PowerPoint does an excellent job of recording your narration alongside your slide transitions in real time. This means your voice will be perfectly synchronized with the visuals, giving your audience a seamless experience. When you've finished your presentation, click the Stop button. This will complete the recording. At this point, you've successfully captured your entire presentation, ready to be shared, reviewed, or saved for future reference. And there you have it, a straightforward way to record your PowerPoint presentation. By following these simple steps, you can create engaging, professional quality presentations that are ready to reach your audience, no matter where they are. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.